Hey everyone, today's video is all about setting a fall table. I'm going to show you how to set a simple, classic fall table using items mostly from Dollar Tree. If that sounds like something you want to see, stick around, it's coming right up. Hey there, I'm Sarah. This is Creative Ramblings, where I share simple, inspiring videos every week. From simple crafts to seasonal projects and home decor, you can find new videos here every Thursday. If you're not already subscribed, I encourage you to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss my next project. So I'm really excited about today's video, not only because it is fall themed and it is my favorite season, but because I'm doing a collaboration today. So I've teamed up with Cass from Crafting with Cass. You can check out her channel right here. And we are both big fans of Dollar Tree. We do a lot of really creative Dollar Tree projects. And so we decided, let's do a tablescape with items found at the Dollar Tree. So that is what we are both doing today. So when you are done watching this video, I will link to her video. You can find it down in the description, and you can go check out what she has done with her Dollar Tree items. So what I did is I went to Dollar Tree and I picked up some really neutral, classic pieces. I picked up some neutral colored floral items. I also grabbed a leaf garland. So this adds a little bit of color to the table without going over the top. And I really like that for a neutral fall table. I also grabbed these clear vases. These are so versatile. I grabbed them in a couple different sizes and then some neutral candles. And I'm going to use those as a centerpiece. I did also get a few specific fall items. They had these gorgeous candles here that actually smell amazing. They smell like orange spice. And then these are metallic colored pumpkin shaped candles. So I'm gonna pair these with these vases, and then I'm gonna grab a few white votives that I already have on hand that I'm pretty sure I got at Dollar Tree once upon a time. For these vases, I'm going to use some filler. Now I've got some different rocks and such that I have picked up from Dollar Tree, that I have picked up from Dollar Tree in the past, and these don't wear out. So I just like to put them in containers when I'm done with them, and then I can reuse them, making this tablescape even more inexpensive. I also have some gold chargers here. And then for napkins, we typically like to use cloth napkins in our family, but I couldn't pass these up. These are more banquet style napkins, and they say thankful on them. I thought that was really cute. It's gonna add some nice decoration to the table. So whenever I'm doing a seasonal tablescape, I like to use really basic dishes. These white dishes I got maybe 15 years ago as a gift. I have a service for 8, maybe 12. I've broken a few dishes over the years, but between 8 and 12 people, I have 2 size plates, the larger ones, and then the salad plates, some really basic wine glasses, and silver colored utensils. And so with those, that's gonna go with any season. It goes really well with this neutral fall table, but it also is gonna go well with Christmas or Valentine's Day or even a summer table. So a set of white dishes can go really far. The final item that I got that I wanted to share with you here, this is a $1 white round tablecloth. So this is the kind of thing that I can use at this table and I can throw away when I'm done with it. I do have a linen white tablecloth, but we're gonna do it with this just because it is from Dollar Tree. This is really nice. You can get one of these in a pattern if you wanted to do something with leaves or something that's seasonal, and then you could just throw it away when you're done. So I am gonna put this all together and show you what a Dollar Tree fall tablescape can look like. This fall tablescape was really easy to put together and very inexpensive. I used almost exclusively Dollar Tree supplies and paired them with simple white dishes and cutlery. Some wine glasses, adding candles and floral to your table, even if it's faux floral, is a great way to dress up a table for a holiday. This would be a wonderful casual Thanksgiving meal, or really any fall meal that you want to put together. This is a setting for 4. You could easily expand this and do this for a large gathering. Now, I mentioned earlier that today's video is a collaboration with Cass from Crafting with Cass. You can check out her video down below and take a look at her gorgeous fall tablescape using Dollar Tree supplies. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up and let me know down below what you would do with these Dollar Tree supplies on your fall table. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next week.